Welcome to this 2-bedroom, 2-bath, fully furnished executive suite. It is almost at the penthouse level, so you have 10-foot ceilings, you have floor-to-ceiling windows, and here we want to show you the living area. You come into the living area with vistas to die for. You have views, you can even see the lake. You have an eat-in kitchen, a modern kitchen with glass backsplash, stainless steel appliances, and again, 10-foot ceilings, which is fantastic. You have 2 bedrooms that is a split layout where you have a bedroom on each side of the living space. So whoever is going to occupy each bedroom has plenty of privacy, and you have your own full bath to accompany each bedroom. Now let me show you what could be a bedroom or an office space. Floor-to-ceiling windows, 10-foot ceilings. We could have a lovely workspace. We have lovely views on a park. Just very pleasant space. And then you have your other ensuite bedroom that we actually have furnished as the master. And we have here again floor-to-ceiling windows, beautiful queen bed, fully equipped with its own ensuite. Next, we're going to go see the amenities. And there you have it, our 2-bedroom, 2-bath, fully furnished executive condo, executive suite in the heart of Vaughan with the amazing views, and this is why they're amazing. When you look up, it's the last balcony that you see.